Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, August 3rd, 2016. U.S. stock market is closed. Sorry, I'm a little late getting this up today. We had a really spectacular day today. Um, the Dow uh, broke a 7-day losing streak and actually gained today. I did call it up for today. Of course, I called it up for every one of those 7 down days, but I was right today. The Dow gained 41 points. Uh, but the big news was, first of all, we've made money all the way down this 7 day slide. We've made money almost every day. We haven't had any bad days in 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks. And as I explained, all the traders are out of the trading room now. We have it to ourselves. We got really good trading now. Today we really had good trading. This is about the third really big day we've had since I got back in the markets with real money. And what happened today, we closed out positive $5,000. Well, that's pretty good, but that's nothing spectacular. What is spectacular is that we got into 15 new positions today. 11 are positive, 4 are negative, and we are holding, drum roll, 41,000, well, basically $42,000. $42,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. Over 40,000, $42,000 going into tomorrow. So this is just spectacular, and let's hope. I don't. I hate to even think about it, but sometimes that on the second day after a big run up, we can jump into that equity. Well, if we jump this, we could be up to 60,000. Now, the only problem with that is that most of that equity is in one stock. I'm going to show that to you in a second. And we are actually going into our 4th day with that stock tomorrow. So we may not see this big jump in equity that we oftentimes see. But regardless, hey, with $42,000, I am very, very happy. And we are on a roll. There's no question about it. I'll just show you 3 of the stocks. They're all fantastic. This first one is one we got out of and then re-entered today. This is Sempra. I think I showed this yesterday, but 2 days ago we bought this the 3rd hour. We had a good run up yesterday, and then we had another gap up this morning to get us out of here. We're out of there with $9,000 in profits in Sempra right here. Really nice. And then the thing keeps going, and we got re-entered in it. And on the re-entry, I think we're negative $100. So we'll have to see how that goes. But I'm not really worried about it. But anyway, $9,000 we took on this 3-day trade in Sempra. Beautiful trade. Next, I'll show you Radius Health, and we got into this yesterday. It really screamed today. We stay in it because of this huge move, and we are holding positive $6,000 in Radius Health, and that's in spite of this pullback. I mean, it looks, just eyeballing it, we were probably up around 9,000 up here. Let's hope that jumps tomorrow and gets back to this area. That'd be great. But still, even as it is, with this pullback, we're still up $6,000 in Radius Health. Finally, this is just unbelievable. I have to Stop this down a second. Okay. This is Advaxis. This has just been an unbelievable trade. We got into this 3 days ago, right out of the gate here. This is a breakout, people. People are always talking to me about I buy high, I buy high. This is buying high down here. Does this look high now? We had a huge gap up yesterday in Advaxis, and then tremendous, huge follow through today. So we're actually going into the 4th day with Advaxis. Very unusual to go 4 days in a trade for us. We're doing it because of the move is so powerful. What are we holding up here? People, we're holding over $30,000 in open trade equity in Advaxis. Now, we will get typically in a whole year maybe 2 or 3 of these kinds of trades. So this is really an outlier. It's really unusual, but we're still up over $30,000 on it. I've told you many times we get 70% of our profits from 5% of our trades. It's these outliers that really boost our profits. That's why we have to trade every day. That's why I trade a big portfolio, because we go fishing enough, we'll catch some really big ones. And today we got one. You know, as I say, we may see 2, 3, or 4 of these in a year at most, and we got one today. Beautiful trade in Advaxis, up over $30,000 in a single stock. Anyway, great day. Trader Bob is dancing on the ceiling. I will see you tomorrow on Thursday.